reached the fantastic Lightning Ridge where we're about to go on a car door tour. They've got these car doors in the bush that point you in the direction of these tourist sites, like a sharp lookout. Should be absolutely fascinating. Okay, that's car door number 10. Surely this thing is close. Really bizarre, this place. People are living in caravans and all sorts of makeshift houses. Like there's one just there. What is that? This is really weird. Someone has gone to all this work to lay all these rocks out, and I think it's a maze of some sort. This whole area is pretty creepy. This is unbelievable. House made from beer cans and bottles. Just check out this construction. There are even the old table and chairs left here, and what looks like an old microwave or a fridge or something, I don't know.